Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making homemade burger buns. Milk 1/4 cup, dry yeast 30 grams, salt half tablespoon, sugar 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Water 1/4 cup. Mix. Wheat flour 1 cup. Mix everything. Oil 2 tablespoon. Make a dough. Cover and rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take small size dough. Make shape like this. Rest for 1 hour. In a baking tray, place the dough. Apply milk on top. Sesame seeds on top. Rest for 1 hour. Bake for 10 minutes on 170 degrees. Now it's ready. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.